1 feet of water. See that? See this guy? Look, look, look. I don't want to catch a gar. What? Catfish. Catfish is okay. Can you believe that? 1 feet of jigging. Catch catfish. And the big ones are down there. 看看那2条鱼，看到没有？那是2条carp，鳄嘴那种鱼。我可不想逮3条。我刚说完，这什么情况？这是什么鱼？又是鲶鱼，catfish。这个好像国内好多人不叫这个叫鲶鱼，叫什么清江鱼，实际上就是鲶鱼的一种。钓太多了，走了，不在这儿钓了，这个地方不行，全是鲶鱼。我想钓鲈鱼，就钓2条，现在鲶鱼呢，我也没有打窝，就是在这吃这种小鱼加2。I was putting the fish away. I didn't even put the lure in the water. You see that? Some crazy fish grabbed my pole on the jig. I'm gonna get him. I almost lost my pole. Thank God to this thing. Look at this. Big old catfish. Took my pole almost. I wasn't even trying to catch him. I just let the pole down trying to put the fish away. Now you're dead, man. 你看这什么鱼吃我的这个家？鲤鱼也来吃这个正口。哇，我是不要这玩意儿，这么大。